Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been here in a while. So my name is Miri and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on the look that I have on right now using the Soph X Revolution Extra Spice palette. I already have a makeup tutorial using this palette on my channel, but the other look was a cooler toned one and I got so many compliments on it. With that being said, I really wanted to create something warmer today. So I did, and I really hope you enjoy it. So without further ado, let's start with a video. So I'm starting off with some skincare and I'm using the niacinamide by The Ordinary. I'm only using 2 drops and patting it all over my face. Then I'm doing the same thing with the salicylic acid by Revolution Skincare. And for moisturizer, I'm using the Dermalogica Active Moist Moisturizer. For color correcting, I'm using the Green Concealer by Essence. I actually really like it. And for foundation, I'm using the Catrice foundation. It's like a dropper foundation and the shade is 010. For some color correcting around the eye area, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. And for a brightening concealer, I'm using the shade C2 by Makeup Revolution. I'm also using this concealer as a base for the eyeshadows. As a wet base for my bronzer, I'm using the Maybelline foundation in the shade 250. And for powder, I'm using this Flormar Banana Loose Powder. Doing some baking and then dusting everything off my face. The bronzer that I'm using is also from Flormar and it's in the shade 05 Kiss Bronze. And then moving on to my brows, I'm first using a clear brow mascara by L'Oreal. Then I'm using this brow pomade in the shade Blonde by Makeup Revolution. Then moving on to the Soph palette, and the first shade I'm going to use is the shade Cookie Dough, which I'm blending all over my crease. Then moving on to the shade Chocolate Orange, and I'm applying this shade to my crease with a more precise brush. Of course, don't forget to blend everything out. Then moving on to the shade Enchanted, which is a reddish brown shade. I'm applying this shade on the outer and the inner corners of the eyes, connecting with my crease and then blending everything out. Next, I'm taking the shade Dreams with my finger and I'm applying it to the middle part of my eyelids and then blending everything out with a blending brush. Moving on to the shade Brownies, which really helps me to deepen the makeup look, using it on the outer and inner corners of my eye and of course blending and then blending some more. Going back to Chocolate Orange, and I'm using this shade on my crease and my lower lash line, as well as the shade Brownies on my lower lash line as well. Then I'm taking a little bit of the same concealer that I used previously, and I'm putting it under my brow. Then for eyeliner, I'm using this Flormar eyeliner. It's matte and very, very durable. For mascara, I'm using this Ofra mascara. It's actually pretty dry, but this was the last time I used it. So many people were asking me what liquid lipstick I used in the previous video, and this is it. This is the Tommy Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Bebe. The lashes are from AliExpress actually. And the blush is from Essence in the shade 70. I also really wanted to use a clear lip gloss on top of the liquid lipstick. This one is by Dermacol. Straightening my hair a little bit so the pictures look good. And I almost forgot to add highlighter. This one is by Ofra in the shade All of the Lights. I love it. It's gorgeous. And this is the finished look. Alright, so I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I would love to hear from you in the comments your thoughts and feelings. Please like this video if you did and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and on my Hebrew channel if you're a Hebrew speaker. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye!